Tennessee. Beautiful Sharkfest, Chattanooga, 6:45. Let's walk the line. Got a lot of gorgeous cars here. Come along, dearest. Got this beautiful Euro E28 M5. Swapped E34 Touring, newer X5 looking great, 650. This E38 740 manual swap. Oh yeah. There's too many good looking cars down here. This Euro E30, this was bought in California and driven back to North Carolina. My buddy's 635. Look at the wheels. Another Euro 6. This car was apparently split in half from a wreck, and he went through and completely rebuilt it. Drove it from Las Vegas to Chattanooga. Here's the Alpina. I knew there was one here this week. This is the car I want. I said this is the car I want. Alpina. Look at those seats.
Oh my god.
Oh yes. I don't know how I've been missing this.
So what's the choice called? What's that choice thing?
People's choice, basically you write down the, I think, a number car that's your favorite, so you would probably put this one down. My guess. I think I left those in the 6.
Yeah.
We'll waddle back. We got until this evening.
You're good on my nerves.
What? I'm just putting stuff in places.
No. Keep reading this.
That's what I do best. Can't beat an S38. No, this is a Euro. That's an M88. This one with the gorgeous cardinal interior. This car is just too stock for me.
No, it's actually got a
This car is too stock for me. Like, look at the ride height, look at the wheels. It's too perfect. Yeah, I know. Car seat in the back as well. Damn, it's almost got 200,000 miles. This thing is gorgeous. Yeah, I know. This one looks like Dad's old one. This car is gorgeous with the body kit and Alpinas.
Good stories, yeah.
Absolutely.
Jonathan came downstairs and saw her. He would go,
That doesn't surprise me one bit. I do like a good white shark though. But this one here, this is the one right here. Oh, that was painted on. Which I didn't know that. I thought these were decals. It was all painted on. There's a lot of work in this vehicle. This car is a very gorgeous blue. He's got the model.
That was kind of like a vibe right there. It starts becoming like all you're doing is.
There's nothing beats a black M6. So we got some of our judges judging. One of my favorite hero cars. Mr. Radbush's car. Another Euro M6. And oh my, oh my, oh my.
No, maybe it's new.
More judges judging.
Does not say remanufactured. This is pretty good.
We've got our 3Os. Well, they're Unites. Paint the wheels. Hey, look. Oh yeah, this is the one with the M swap. Nice. All original. This gentleman was very nice talking to him yesterday.
Now she's gonna sleep.
They've just come from back there. Now we've got the 8s. It's like the one Dad used to have. This looks like the model that I have. How could you dislike a V12? I do like the Laguna Green on an 8. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Hell rock. My favorite colors. And down here on the river. Look at her, she stopped. She's texting. I got her in a BMW shirt too. one of my favorite BMW shirts that I never wear. Hello, darling. Yeah, they've got our stuff set up. I mean, my goodness.
Take care.
We've been there for all the generations, records, days.
Jaeger car is always the fave. That thing has won so many awards from here. I got to see it before it was all put together. It was, whoo-wee. That car was rough, but look at her now. At least it's a lovely day out.
No, I think it's pretty much just a big cluster.
Hey, hey guys. I live in Nicholasville. Yeah, that's gonna be the fan favorite right there. I said that's gonna be the fan favorite right there. You don't want to put whatever my number is. She's the personal favorite. Yeah, I know. I liked it, especially after I heard the story on it. That thing is just too darn nice. Car stuff. I don't know. This Euro 28 M5 is. It's too bad we can't have more than one.
Now, is this a real wannabe or what?
I mean, I'm not sure.
It's got an emblem.
I wish I could say it's the first time somebody's done one of that to a. Yeah, tear up Chattanooga. Ooh, there's an 850 in front of us. Or one of those 840s, yeah. Ooh, there's a cop. Yeah. Ooh, hey. You guys chill out, okay?
Yeah.
This is a weird little section, but I like it.
Yeah, it's nice.
Reminds me of the summit.
Yeah.